Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Let's make some ginger spinach rice with some cilantro and other great seasonings in it. You know, ginger is one of those spices and herbs that really have a big health benefit. So we want to use that in every way. Another dish for your Thanksgiving meal. Okay, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. You might want to support this girl. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm cooking in the rice cooker. So I have one, 3/4 of a cup actually. This is a measure that came with the rice cooker. So I'm going to put one of those in and 1 3/4 worth of water. Okay? That's the 1 cup of water. One of the 3/4 cup of water. And this is the 3/4 of this measuring cup of water. The reason why I'm using 3/4 because the spinach has water in it, and so that's going to make some water, so I'm compensating for that. Alright, let's add our ingredients. So I have ginger paste. We're going to put 1, 2, I think 2 is good. Ginger is very strong. 2 teaspoons of ginger. Now I want to add the rest of the ingredients. I want to add some cilantro. This is a herb, so as much or little as you want. Some garlic, granulated garlic. I don't know if I showed you the cilantro. Here we go. Adobo. Onion powder. And I'm going to add some olive oil. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons full. Okay, and now I'm going to just mix this in well. Now I'm going to add the spinach. This is about a cup, if you press it down, a cup of spinach, or 2 handfuls, let's put it that way. Okay, I want to make sure I merge the spinach down into the fluids. Okay, so let you see that. Okay. Alright, now the rice cooker has its own timing already set in. I think this is 23 minutes maybe. So once I plug it in, which I'm doing now, I'm going to hit this button here on the bottom, and it's going to go to cook. There we go. Okay, once that finished cooking, it'll pop, that button will pop up and the warm light will come on, and that's when you know the rice is done. Okay, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is feelings. Your feelings are from within you. Nobody else can feel what you feel. Nobody else can understand what you feel. All of your feelings are within you. So if you want your feelings out, communicate that to someone. That's the word of the day. Feelings. You can let them out or you can keep them in. It's up to you. Okay? Feelings. Thanks. Okay. Our rice is done in the rice cooker. We have the spinach, cilantro, ginger rice. Do you see that? Is that pretty? Okay, so let's taste that. Okay, let's taste. Wow, what a pleasant taste. Now I drink ginger in my tea, but it doesn't even taste like ginger actually. You can feel the hint of ginger a little bit, but not as strong as it is in a tea. But the health benefits is worth it. Absolutely worth it. Another dish for your Thanksgiving meal. Alright, thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, check out my links below. Love you, see you.